Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to block message requests on the Messenger app for PC. This new update gives you more control over your inbox, ensuring that you can filter out unwanted messages easily. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a menu icon located right under your profile photo. Click on that icon to access more options. Next, find and click on Requests. This section contains all the message requests you've received from people who aren't your friends. You can review these requests and decide what to do with each one. Now, go ahead and open the specific message request that you want to reject. This will allow you to see the message from that person. Once you've opened the request, it's time to take action. Click on the Block option. This will prevent that person from sending you further messages and helps maintain a more peaceful Messenger experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully blocked a message request on Messenger. This simple process can help you manage your interactions better and keep your chats focused on the people you want to connect with.